Yawning is contagious, and it's not random. When you see someone yawn, your brain immediately reacts, even before you consciously notice it or try to resist. Inside your brain, specialized cells called mirror neurons activate. These neurons fire when you perform an action and when you observe someone else performing the same action. When you see a yawn, your brain mirrors the pattern. Neural pathways activate. Signals spread across connected regions. The motor response begins. Contagious yawning is linked to empathy and social bonding. The stronger the emotional connection, the more likely the response. So if you feel a yawn coming on, it's your brain synchronizing with someone else,